Hello, welcome back to the channel. So today's video we're going to be fitting two 12-volt downlighters to our Sprite Caravan. Now I'm sure everybody knows Dan Trudgeon has done a video on how to do this, but during his video he mentioned that they could be fitted to Swifts, so I thought I wouldn't mind having a go at that. So I've decided that because to fit these is slightly different to how you fit them in Dan's van, I'm going to show you how to do it. So this is for Swift owners primarily, so let's have a look and see what we need. So we'll need a drill bit. I've brought 3 here because I'm not quite sure what screws I'm going to fit. And speaking of screws, I've brought an assortment with me just so I have enough to do the job. But altogether we're only going to need 4. I have 2 Phillips screwdrivers of different sizes. And I've brought Dave along. This is Big Dave. You'll have seen him in our Fitting the Caravans video. He's making another guest appearance, our battery operated drill. So today we're going to be replacing these little downlighters, one in each corner at the front of the lounge area. So let's have a look at what we have to do in order to do this. So with the Swift, especially the Sprite, you need to go to the corner curved doors and just open them up. Now inside, let's see if camera can focus, you'll see a brown panel. Now that has 2 Phillips screws in it, one on either side, and we're going to remove that to get at the electrics. So let's do that now. So as you can see there, that's the hole, and I've pushed it through, and we can now feed the wires through. See, they're on spade connectors, so we're going to remove those now. So we fitted the terminals, the spade terminals, and as Dan said in his video, it doesn't matter which way around they are, so I wouldn't worry about that. So let's just quickly test it before we start drilling any holes. And there we go, it works. So what we need to do now is actually fit it permanently into the van. So let's have a look at that now. So here's the inside panel of the light fitting. And as you can see, it's got 2 holes there. So we're going to just use a marker pen or a pencil to just mark 2 holes in the place on the unit where we want it to sit. So using our drill, we're just going to make 2 small pilot holes. And we're not going to go too mad here because, as you know, there's not much wood to actually drill to. But there's our pilot holes done. So there they go. I have to admit, fitting that bezel there with the plate underneath, it was quite a fiddle. You've got to really push upwards and twist once you get it to lock in place, but once it's in there it's pretty solid. So it's just one thing to bear in mind should you buy these. Now these are just like Dan's, and they're dimmable, and that's as dim as it gets, and that's as bright as it gets. Okay, just turn that down. Now I've plugged in a USB cable and I've just had a look at my phone and it's charging my phone nicely. So I'm really pleased with that. Now I'm just going to screw the cap back on inside the cupboard and I'm going to get on with the next one. But I'll do that one off camera because I don't think you need to see this twice. But stay tuned and we'll have a little chat at the end. Well, that was the 12 volt adjustable downlighters. Really thrilled with these. They were 20 quid each off eBay. I'll leave a link below. I'd like to thank Dan Trudgeon for inspiring me to do this film. I appreciate that everybody will say, well, Dan's done this film. Yes, he has. This is for a Sprite, and they are quite different in terms of how you get to your cables and how you fit them. So I'd just like to thank Dan again, and I'd thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon with another video. So for now, see you later.